Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Rave Accessories with a vibrant and exciting product. The BOBISUKA UV Shimmer Glow Liquid Eyeliner Set. If you're looking to add some sparkle and shine to your next party or rave, this might just be the perfect addition to your makeup kit. Stick around as we explore what makes this eyeliner set stand out from the rest. Starting off, let's talk about the variety this set offers. With 7 dazzling colors to choose from, including neon shades that glow under UV light, you're sure to find the perfect match for your style. Whether you're going for a bold, graphic look or subtle accents, these eyeliners provide endless creative possibilities. The formulation is another highlight. These eyeliners are not just about looks, they're also waterproof and pigmented, ensuring long-lasting wear that withstands sweat and dancing all night long. Perfect for those energetic nights out where you want your makeup to stay flawless. What really sets this set apart is its versatility. Not only are these eyeliners great for raves and parties, but they can also elevate your everyday makeup look. Add a pop of metallic color to your eyelids or create intricate designs that complement your outfit. The smooth application makes it easy to achieve precision without any hassle. Makeup artists have been raving about how easy these eyeliners are to work with. The fine brush applicator allows for precise lines, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Plus, the quick drying formula means minimal smudging and maximum impact. Let's recap the key benefits. Vibrant UV glow, waterproof formula, easy application, and a wide range of colors. It's clear why these eyeliners are a favorite among party-goers and makeup enthusiasts alike. Plus, the compact size makes them travel-friendly, so you can take your rave essentials wherever the night takes you. Overall, the BOBISUKA UV Shimmer Glow Liquid Eyeliner Set is not just about makeup, it's about making a statement. Whether you're attending a rave, a festival, or just want to add some sparkle to your day-to-day, these eyeliners deliver. So, if you're looking to amp up your makeup game, I highly recommend giving these a try. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.